everyone, welcome to Forever Matters. My name is Rafael Castelo Branco. I'm a marketing coordinator here in Brazil and part of the team of the global events. It's summertime in Rio de Janeiro. It's hot, it's almost 45 degrees. So in this episode, we have incredible updates. Let's see what's happening in Forever World, products, recognitions, and much more. Just remember, as Sheila said in the last episode, this year, Forever Matters will focus on new FBO. So let's hear from our great leader in Brazil, a good friend of mine, and who inspired a lot of people all over the world, Lino e Noêmia Barbosa.
Meu nome é Noêmia Barbosa.
E o meu Lino Barbosa, e somos gerentes duplos diamantes.
Desde que iniciou esse grupo seleto chamado GLT, nós fizemos parte dele até 2022. Em 2024, retornamos. Estamos muito gratos e felizes.
Além de nos qualificarmos para o GLT novamente, também nos qualificamos para o Level Up, que é o crescimento referente ao ano anterior. Isto fica claro que com comprometimento, esforço conjunto com um time comprometido, é possível resultados como estes ou até maiores. Mas não paramos por aí. Estamos sempre de olho no futuro, mas nos comprometendo com o presente. Agradeço a cada um que fez parte dessa vitória e dizer, vamos para frente, porque tem muita coisa maravilhosa nos esperando junto a essa companhia chamada Forever Living.
What a great story. Lino and Noêmia, thank you so much to share with us. I'm at the training room in our office, and now it's time to recognize the new Gem managers.
And now it's time to recognize our brand new Sapphire managers. Zina Dakhil Abdulrida, Theodora Kind, Nomonde Nwamba, Naja Yolim Nakwama, Margaret Nong, Oratile Beauty Ratau, Namla Babalwa Tatsi. And now moving on to the brand new Diamond Sapphire managers, Rina Seki. And now time to recognize our brand new Diamond manager couple, Tanya and Celso Diniz.
What achievement. Congratulations for all the new Gem managers. What a beautiful day in Brazil. Look at that. And I'm sure in Dominican Republic has the same atmosphere as here. Let's check with Nick over there.
Well, thank you, Rafa. And you join me right here in a town called El Pocito, which is the home of Universal Aloe and the amazing aloe fields that we have here in the Dominican Republic. We are halfway through the Level Up incentive and our qualifiers are having such an incredible time. The training yesterday was game-changing and the experience today has been very, very emotional for many, as you will see on some of the videos. We have a trip back to the resort tonight, then another day of training tomorrow, and then it's farewell to Level Up 2025. But the exciting thing is that opens up Level Up 2026, and we want you to be with us and experience this once in a lifetime event next year. We hope you can join us. Back to you, Rafa.
Thank you so much, Nick, and congratulations for all the qualifiers of Level Up and their success. And you know that the only place that success comes before work is in the dictionary. So let's go over to the top 10 of January. Congratulations to everyone on the top 10 list from last month. What an incredible achievement. I'm here with a few of my favorite products and they have so many benefits for our health. So we should highlight one of that we use every day. And to give these tips, no one better than our VP of Product Development, Holly Stowe.
Thank you, Rafa. Have you tried Forever Bright Tooth Gel? This is a product I reach for every single morning and evening. It contains a formula which has aloe vera directly from Forever's own fields, and bee propolis designed to help support healthy-looking gums and provide fresh breath. Forever conducted years of research with scholars and dentists to provide a formula that's not only safe for you, but is safe and effective for the entire family. This is a fluoride-free formula which contains natural peppermint and spearmint flavors designed to make your breath so fresh and your smile so bright. I love this product, and if you haven't tried it, make sure to put it in your next order.
Thank you so much, Harley. You're always amazing. So this is the second episode of Forever Matters, and I hope you enjoy and learned a lot. So in the next episode, we'll be passing across the globe to It's a Secret. But until then, stay focused on what matters most to you.